Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing from my Toy Story page kit number 104. And this one shouldn't be too difficult, but we do have a few small pieces over here. Not too bad, but let's go ahead and glue down the two larger pieces first. I always find that a lot easier to get a foundation in place and then work around it. So I'm going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear liquid glue, and it doesn't look like my camera is focusing on it. I apologize for that. Okay, anyway, so let's see. I like to work quickly with this glue because it does dry fast. And we have a large piece, so. Okay, so let's see, this is his foot. And you want to line this piece up with his head. Okay, next. Boom, easy. Easy peasy. If you haven't already and would like to pick up this kit, please check the description below and you'll find a link to my shop where you will find this kit, hopefully, if it's not out of stock. If it is, just go ahead and message me and I'll let you know when it will be back in. You'll find lots of other projects as well. I do page kits and I do album kits, and this is what I love to do. So I hope that you enjoy working on the kits. If you ever have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me. I'm always happy to help. And I just started recently doing these paper piecing videos, so I hope this is helpful to you. If you'd like to see any particular videos from me, please let me know and I will do my best to do that for you. Okay, I'm going to glue on his ears. And if you notice, I laid down the piece first just to make sure I do have it right side up and in the right place. Then I add my glue. Just like that, yep. Some paper is textured and some is smooth. When they're textured, it does make it easier to know that, okay, you know it's at least right side up if it's textured. And I just go by the color. I really don't go by, when I'm creating these, I don't go by if it's textured or smooth or what. I really just go by the color and if I think it's going to look good with the project. Okay. So you notice I work with the larger pieces first, kind of work my way around, and then I work down to the smaller ones. Okay, this one's small. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right here. And let's see. He's got some teeth. that wasn't too bad. All right, getting to the smaller pieces. Let's see. Okay, this little one goes down here. Okay, these are two little ovals. I am not even going to try to figure out which one they go in. I'm just going to stick it in and hope for the best because they look pretty similar. Give you a closer look. Okay, now all of these little guys. Don't lose them. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I'm going to start with the ones that are obvious first so I can narrow it down. We have this big one right here. I think it goes this way. I want to check first. Yep. I'm going to check the time on my video real quick. Oh, we are still doing good on time. Okay. I didn't want it to run out on you right in the middle. Okay, now this. I know this one's going to go over here. Which direction is the question? I don't know. Oh, it looks like looks like it's flat on the top. I'm going to go with that. Yeah, that looks good. Looks good. Now these two look very similar, but one's a little narrower than the other. I think this one. I think it goes like this. Yes. Okay. I think it's like this. Let's see. That looks good. Now we do have to do very little bit of pen work. Oops. Okay, come on. Need to check something in the picture. Okay. Looks like I'm going to use the Zig Rider Pure Black. And right here, I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to use a little pen right in the middle there to separate, I guess their toenail. Let's see. And this one also just gonna come like that. Okay, so I'll show you. So I did this one. I hope the camera is in focus here. It's kind of hard to tell on my end until I watch it back later, but there's that one. And I think there should be another little one right here. So I'm going to do just a slight, and you don't have to do this if you don't want to. It just adds a little bit more detail. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so now you can see that last one. right there. And he's done. Isn't he so cute? Okay, well, thank you so much for watching and tuning into my channel, and thank you for watching all the way to the end. Really appreciate that. Please click the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and click that bell for notifications. And I will be posting more videos shortly, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and have a great day.